All right, guys, for your math today, go ahead and get into your Google Classroom and find the assignment and scroll down to the page that looks like this. It should be 313. We are starting on number 1. It says, the area of a rectangle is 40 square feet. What could be the perimeter of the rectangle? Circle the letter for all that apply. Well, 40 is the area, which you can see is the length times the width. So we should start by thinking of what numbers can multiply together to equal 40. So I'm going to start with an easy one. I know is 4 times 10. So could have been 4 by 10. What else could equal 40? 5 times 8. So could have been 5 by 8. What else equals 40? Let's start with these two. If the area was 4 by 10, and we're trying to find the perimeter, we need another 10 and another 4, and let's add those up. 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4 equals 28. Okay, now if it was 8 by 5, we need another 8 and a 5, and we can add those up. 8 plus 8 is 16, 5 plus 5 is 10, that equals 26. Okay. What else could equal 40? I know one. 40 times 1. Okay. If it was 40 by 1, we need another 40 and a 1. That would be 40 plus 40 is 80, plus 1 is 82. Okay, and I think there's only one more option of what could equal 40, and that is 20 times 2. Okay. If it was 20 by 2, and we added up the perimeter, we would get 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 2 equals 44. Okay, let's go look at our answers. 82, we said yes. 44, we said yes. 28 and 26. So I would put A, B, D, and E could all be options. Okay, let's look at number 2. Trish had a square garden with side lengths of 8 feet. She expanded her garden to 10 feet by 8 feet. By how many square feet did she expand the area of her garden? Okay, I'm going to draw a picture for this one. She had a square garden that was 8 by 8. So I am drawing on my paper 8 by 8 garden. She expanded her garden to be 10 feet by 8 feet. So I am drawing this on my scrap paper. By how many square feet did she expand the area of her garden? All right. So let's start by finding the area of her garden at first. An 8 by 8 garden, if you multiply 8 times 8, you should get 64. And then her new garden was 8 by 10. I'm going to get 80. Okay, to see how much bigger she expanded, let's go ahead and subtract 80 minus 64. And I'm going to let you do that on your own so I don't give you all the answers. Okay. Now the next part of the question says, Carrie chose A as the correct answer. How did she get that answer? Her answer is a lot higher than my answer. I'm going to see what would happen if I added my two numbers instead of subtracted my two numbers. What if I accidentally added 80 plus 64? 4 and 14. 144, there you have it. I believe she must have added instead of subtracted. All right, number 3. Layla painted the walls of a rectangular room. 2 walls are 9 feet by 12 feet. The other 2 walls are 9 feet by 20 feet. What is the total area of wall that Layla painted? Okay, so let's take a look at that. All right. One wall is 9 by 12. The other wall is 9 by 20. Okay, and it's a 4-wall room, so she's going to actually have 2 of these and 2 of these. So let's multiply to find this area first. 12 times 9 is 108. Okay, and if I have 2 108 walls, that's going to give me 216. Then over here, 20 times 9 is 180. And if I have 2 walls that are 180, that's going to give me 360. Okay, now to find the total, I'm going to add those numbers together. Again, I'm going to let you do this part by yourself. 216 plus 360 should give you your answer. And don't forget that your answer when you're talking about area should be in square, and we're talking about feet. Okay. Once you have that answer, we can go down to number 4. Oopsies. 4. Olivia is putting decorations around the photo in the picture frame shown below. What is the area of the frame that she can decorate? So we're going to find the big area, then we're going to find this small area, and we are going to subtract them. Okay, so let me write this down on my picture. 14 by 8, and the smaller one is 4 by 6. Okay. Let's find the big area first. So let's multiply 14 times 8. Okay, and then multiply 4 times 6. I'm going to let you find both of these answers, okay? 14 times 8 equals here. 4 by 6 equals here. And then if you go ahead and subtract that answer from that answer, you should get your total. Again, don't forget to put it in square inches. Okay, and I'm going to let you skip number 5. You can go ahead and put my initials KM for your answer on number 5.